In this video, let us see what clustering is. A basic intuition on clustering so that you can tell anyone what clustering is in such a way that even a nursery child can understand. So tension mat lo. Let's go ahead with clustering. Okay, कोई maths नहीं आएगा तो don't worry. So as you can see, I have different types of balls in this input. Okay, football, basketball, then baseball. Okay, तो मुझे तो पता चल रहा है. I can see that these are baseballs, these are basketballs, and these are footballs. Okay, so what I can do is I can cluster them together. ये baseball है, this is football, and this is basketball. This is what clustering is. So to define clustering, I can say that clustering is to find out a pattern, a trend, and then differentiate something on the basis of the trend. So suppose I have apples and I have oranges. I can see that apples are similar and oranges are similar. So I will put apples with apples and oranges with oranges. So how do I identify this? I can see the differences between these two physically as well as on the basis of the color. And I will put two similar things together and two different things differ apart from each other. Okay, तो एप्पल और ऑरेंज डिफरेंट है तो मैं डिफरेंट है तो आई पुट देम अपार्ट and similar है तो I'll put them together. Okay, that's what clustering is. So if anyone asks you what clustering is after seeing this video, you will be able to say that clustering is to put similar things in front of each other together and to put dissimilar things apart from each other so that they can be differentiated. Okay, so I hope you understood clustering from this video, got an intuition. And so like the video, comment on it, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos.